Hello, I'm Chris Critterview, and welcome back to some more CRVW News. Recent threats from Asia have the U.S. government preparing for a nuclear attack. The government is considering declaring a state of emergency. Some are not worried about this, since certain countries in Asia have made threats like this before and not actually attacked. Some, however, are taking extra measures like the U.S. government. They're locking themselves in their basement and taking extra cover. Well, let's just all pray to God that
This message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, an extremely destructive nuclear missile was spotted on civil defense radar heading toward Arizona. No place in the United States is safe. It is advised that all people in the U.S. head to northern Canada. A message from the President of the U.S. will play on all Canadian television stations, radio stations, and cell phones. Again, no place in the U.S. is safe. Evacuate the country immediately. No shelter can protect you from this missile.
Alright, you just heard the tones and the message from the emergency alert system.